All right. Hey, everyone. It's Brian. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. Here we go. It's your favorite episode of the year. It's the Trade Talk Tuesday 2021 year in review. So let's have at it. Did I wet the bed? Did Karim wet the bed? Did we have a great year this year? Did our picks fly? Did it go to the moon? Well, I'm going to break it all down for you today. So let's get right into it. All right. As we started the 2021 investing year, we saw your feedback, we saw what you guys wanted, and you asked for more tutorials, more videos, more training, more education. So that's exactly what we did. We started off by posting, tutorial videos like, is gambling day trading? Well, of course it's not. The video explained why. Top mistakes to avoid, the number one tip for making an options trade, the best stock screener, and then Karim came in with cluster buying tutorials and what he thinks of the VIX indicator and his best trading platform for beginners. So all of that educational content was available to you. If you've missed any of that, go back and check all that out. It's meant for you to make yourself a better trader. And as always, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, make the marketer's day, follow our channel as we go into the new year. All right, so that was January. In February, I came out with my video, top IPOs, right? And I said, avoid Robinhood, which as it turns out, yay for me, that was the correct way, the correct play. However, I said, buy Coinbase. And okay, I'll admit that hasn't been the best play. It hasn't quite worked out. Coinbase has moved up a lot. It's moved down a lot. I'm sure the graphics team is gonna, put a poo emoji up on my face or do a fart noise or something. So thus far, Coinbase has not quite worked out. I will take the hit on that one. I'll take the lump.
Nice job, none of you.
February rolled into March, and then we started to catch fire. In March, Karim, my partner, he came in and he gave his top stock picks for the Biden administration. Let's pull up Karim. Hey, good job, man. High five. Your picks on this alert were Ford. Check out that Ford chart, on fire, and Cleveland Cliffs. Check out that chart, also on fire. So those are two major registered winners from Karim. Ford, Cleveland Cliffs were great picks for the Biden administration. Those have crushed it. They continue to crush it. Then also in March, we gave our top disruptive stock pick for a travel industry that was starting to open up again. You probably remember that as Airbnb. Airbnb, we pegged the bottom. It moved up. It was like a 25% winner. We rang the register on that. So that's 3 in a row. Bam. Cash that one in. Ring the register. 3 in a row. Now we're rolling. April comes along. I don't know if you remember this one, but the pick for April was Nike. And I was not mincing words. I was pounding the table. Buy this dip in Nike and pull up the Nike chart. Look at that. Just absolutely crushed it on Nike. That was the right play. The buying the dip was absolutely the right time in April. We're now 4 for 4, 4 for 5 if you want to count the Coinbase loser. So now we're rolling, all right? May comes along, and then we kind of pivoted back to more educational videos. Karim came out with the how to use trailing stops, which is a really important strategy to use, especially in a volatile market we're seeing now. Then June, this was our rapid fire episode. I'm sure you guys remember that. These were a lot of fun to make. Karim recommended Joan, which is Joanne Fabrics, obviously. Like, I don't know if Karim is at home knitting or cross-stitching or crafting or whatever the heck he does, but he properly valued Joan. That was a really nice winner for us as well. Then came July. Karim, I know that you're wanting to head out to the beach. You probably have an MTV beach party to get to. And this might be the best pick of all. July came and I called Costco the most unloved stock on Wall Street. Now, at the time, Costco, a lot of people were like, it's still expensive. It's still like $370, $390 a share. How can you call it unloved? Well, check it out now. Look at this chart. Costco has blasted the over $540 a share. Huge winner on Costco. Just like Nike, Costco was a great play. So we are cooking with gas now. Month of August comes around. 2 more winning Trade Talk Tuesday picks. Carrier, the heating and air conditioning play, I still love it. If you do not have a position in carrier, get a position in carrier. It's going to be a great play going into 2022. And then an anti-inflation play, Louisiana Pacific LPX. Pull up that chart. Another great winner there. So all told, it's been another amazing year here in Trade Talk Tuesday. So that leads us into September, October, November. And at this point, we took a breather, and then we pivoted back to our training videos. So we posted the one simple indicator to know if a stock chart is bullish or bearish. We posted the one trick to tell if a stock is about to skyrocket. We posted the best way to grow a small account. And, blink your eyes and it's here in December. Best stock screener for beginners. So you lump all of the picks with all of the training and tutorial videos, and it has been another fantastic year here at Trade Talk Tuesday. I'm glad to share it with you. I'm glad that you guys tune in. I know Karim's glad that you guys turn in too. We give you winning picks, and we give you educational training videos. And based on all this, lump it all together, I wanted to highlight something that really puts our success into context.
I want to thank me.
And that is our service, Trade of the Day Plus. Every single week, Karim and I come to you with the best pick, and we email it to you in a video just like this.
Let's see, Brian, let me go through this portfolio of yours. You've got
Yeah.
quite a few winners here. Is that why you got that big grin on your face?
Just recently, we had our company luncheon, and our Trade of the Day Plus track record, I'm proud to say, won an award for the top track record within all of our peers. So we're the #1 track record, and our picks have outperformed the S&P 500 on a percentage basis by over 41%. It's something that I'm super proud of. I know Karim's really proud of it too, and I want you to be proud of it and start profiting from these picks as well. If you're not a Trade of the Day Plus member, here's what to do. Click that button below, sign up, and you can get our top 5 picks for $5. Look, I'm not getting rich selling $5 memberships here. This is to start getting you our best trades every single week. I want you to be part of our top picks. You've seen what we can do in the 2021 year with our free Trade Talk Tuesday picks. It's time for you to level up, take the next step with us, and join Trade of the Day Plus. And on that note, that's your Trade Talk Tuesday 2021 year in review. I hope you had a great year. Stick with us because we got a lot of exciting stuff going into 2022. I'm excited. Karim excited. As always, stop hating, start trading. I'm Brian. Have a great New Year's, everyone, and I'll see you soon.